So my people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people, to the old, to the young, to the beautiful, to the not so good people, turn your life around and be good. All of you watching, you may not be a fan of the traditional fruit and wine cake at Christmas, you know, the traditional Jamaican Christmas cake, but you can still have the cake during the holidays of your choice. Here to share some alternatives with us is owner of Shanna's Pastry Craze, Shanna K. Smickle. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hi, welcome.
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Good, good. So, my chefa, my baker, what do you call you? Cake maker.
All of the above.
All of the above. Ooh, let's start with some of the alternatives. We don't have to have a fruit cake, but is that fruit cake?
Yes, it is.
But you brought fruit cake.
Yes.
And then over here, tell us what you have as an option.
So today we have today we have the eggnog cake. It's a Christmas cake that we can consume in Christmas, you know, eggnog.
Eggnog.
And this one is actually a coconut wine cake. So it's a spiced rum cake with the coconut variety.
Yes.
Minus the fruits, for those who doesn't like the fruits.
Yeah, some people not into the fruits, especially when, you know, the Christmas cake, when the fruit, them are crunch. You have to blend out the fruits.
Well,
so?
for me personally, I blend mine completely out.
Right.
So there is no evidence of fruit particles or anything. It's completely blended.
Let me get a little bit of information, please. Share your tips.
Sure.
How do you make an eggnog cake? An eggnog cake.
All right, so it's the basic. You can use like vanilla cake, for instance. You cream your butter, your sugar, you add the basic ingredients. The difference is instead of...
You know, like the regular, like not everybody knows what goes in a cake, Shadow. Come on.
The difference is instead of using regular milk,
Yes.
you would use eggnog, the actual eggnog milk,
Yes.
and your spices, so cinnamon, your nutmeg, your mixed spice, vanilla, just the same. And you treat it just like a regular vanilla cake.
All right. What's in a regular vanilla? Remember some girl can't cook, you
Okay.
know? Not me, but, you know, someone.
Butter, sugar, flour, baking powder, things like those.
All right, baking powder, not baking soda.
Actually, in some cakes, depending on what you're using, for instance, like chocolate cake,
Right.
because of the reaction to some of the ingredients, baking soda is actually necessary in some cakes.
All right.
Yes.
So we have a beautifully decorated eggnog cake. What's on top? I see, is that walnuts?
Yes, no, it's actually pecan. So it's, I made a homemade pine cone. So I use the pecan and the buttercream and I actually glue it together to make a pine cone. And these are cinnamon sticks.
All right.
So it's to complement the eggnog. Of course, you know, eggnog has to do with spices. So the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the mixed spice.
I can smell the flavor already.
Right.
And is that almonds on top?
Yes, so I toasted some almonds also.
You toasted it?
Yes,
All
to give it more flavor.
All
So when you
right.
toast almonds...
Not in the toaster.
No.
Because some girl are listening and I say, and some man say, she said toast it, and I throw all the almond them in the toaster when them toast the bread and beer confusion. So you toasted it how?
Well,
In the
on
oven.
a regular baking tray,
Right.
you
Lay it
spread
out.
them out evenly and you put it in the oven on a very high temperature and let it bake for a couple minutes, not long, because it will burn. You just
Okay.
need to bring out the flavors.
All right, now let me how much for a cake like this if we want to get one from you this Christmas?
All right, so for instance, this simple eggnog cake,
She says simple, it's full of things, Shanna. It is not a simple cake. It smells good.
all right, at the discounted rate, because we want everybody to be able to afford the Christmas cake.
Yes.
So we can drop it at a nice, just a 6,000. If you have 5, that's fine.
Look at you.
Yes.
For the people, that's my kind of girl. And this one is a coconut with no fruit wine cake.
Right, so the color of the cake actually is a tip of browning in there, so it does look like a regular fruit cake, but it's not.
Okay.
So when you have a balance of flavor with coconut, you taste the spices in there just like a fruit cake, and we use wine.
It looks so pretty. It really does look like a Christmas cake. And you just took some leaves off your tree outside.
Right.
Leaf, yeah? So where you get the leaf there? What kind of leaf?
It's lime leaf. Because we use lime in Christmas cake too, you know. It's lime leaf.
Lime leaf.
Right. But you can use mint.
No, but it looks great. That's what I'm saying. You go take the leaf them from the tree.
We
It looks
use what
good.
we have.
You use
right.
no, but it looks so pretty. That's what I'm saying. Use what you have, people. Shana, you don't hear about eat Jamaican. Eat where grow your yard. And
Precisely.
that you do with the cake. I love it. It
Precisely.
smells so good. So you have traditional cakes as well here.
Well, actually, these are a variety of flavors.
Oh.
So, just so you know, fruitcake can be anything at all. All right, so for the health persons, you know, you can use whole wheat flour. So you can half and half the flour instead of using regular white flour. Everybody's running from the white flour. So you can use whole wheat and you get the same great taste.
Black people tend to know.
Right.
Whole wheat.
And then there's also the non-alcoholic cake.
So no rum in there.
No rum, but there's no wine. The trick is we use cran grape juice. So you can use cranberry juice or the grape juice, but I chose to use cran grape.
Where did you learn this skill?
My mother, she does a non-alcoholic because she's a Christian.
Yeah.
There is no alcohol.
Tell her that Jesus turned water into wine. Come on. I want you to drink a communion. Mommy. No joke, I'm messing with you. But yeah, so she does a non-alcoholic.
Non-alcohol, every
Okay.
Christmas.
And you do the...
I do the alcoholic for the
Right.
traditional.
Because you're not a Christian. No joke.
No.
I'm messing with you. I had
It's
to
for
go
the
there.
people.
I know.
So everybody wants rum in their
Variety.
cake. They're saying, what's a Christmas cake without rum? So we have to add the rum in there. But
All right.
we have variety for everybody. And then finally, we have the plantain fruit cake.
Plantain fruit cake?
Yes.
Stop it. I want to taste it. Too.
Sure.
We can taste it now?
Sure.
Because the people want if it tastes good.
Okay,
quick,
no
cut a piece.
problem.
Quick, throw it in. All right. It was so good to have you on. And please, give us a contact number. So if we want to reach you, we can get a... Me cut it while you give them the number. Come.
Okay,
You
so
want me
my... Sure, go ahead. So my phone number is 796-0621. And that's WhatsApp or call. And you can email Shana's Pastry Craze also.
Well, I'm not
which
so good
is-
with them fancy knife. Go on, give them the email. Give them the
It's SHANASPASTRYCRAZE@gmail.com. And you can find me on Instagram or Facebook. I'm all there. And the plantain really, the flavor is there, but
It's
of course
subtle.
it's mild, right? But you have to use the very right plantains to get that strong flavor.
Right. Come
in
on,
there.
plantain tree, isn't it?
So you use what you have.
Yes, I love that. Shana K. Smickle, support her. Big up your mom as well, who
Yes.
gave you the foundation.
Yes.
All right. Owner of Shana's Pastry Craze. So have a great Christmas with all these amazing cakes. We wrap things up after the break. We soon come while I yam my food.